never cared about styles or type of fabrics, but those Bugs Bunny 8s changed his whole fashion. Whatever color shoes, gotta have the shirt to match it. Admittedly, the change in gear was quite drastic. Enough about the shoe game, studied under Jizza, that's the head of the Wu-Tang. Sick as Michael Jordan dominating. Left shoe first, baby. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. These are the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. These just came in today. Just got these today. I ordered these from Lapstone and Hammer. Okay? Because Lapstone and Hammer so far is the only site that I could find that had these in a size 14. So I went ahead and copped them from there. And today I did something that I rarely do when I first get a pair of shoes. I took them immediately out of the box. I came home. I took them out of the box that they shipped in and threw them directly on feet. I had to wear them. Had to wear them today. We were going out in the town here in Spain. We were going out to dinner. So I threw these on. I said, these are going on feet today because these are just too sweet. For sure on these. And I like to refer to these as the Air Jordan 1 Mid Wu-Tang Killer Bees. You know what I mean? Because that black and yellow reminds me of the Wu-Tang Clan colors from back in the day. You know, I'm a big Wu-Tang fan, and that's what I'm getting from the colorway here is that Wu-Tang vibe, that black and yellow, the Killer Bees. Killer Bees! Wu-Tang Killer Bees, we on the swarm. Wu-Tang Killer Bees, we on the swarm. Definitely some Wu-Tang vibes in here. So, man, it's black all in there. There is a yellow Jumpman. Hopefully my lighting picks that up. There is a yellow Jumpman in there. Nike Air, Jordan Air on the tongue. You got your Jordan wings on the side there. And this is like a nubuck material here. That yellow toe all around here is like that nubuck material. It's very sweet, very sweet. Like I dig how these feel, man. A lot of cats sleep on mids, man. They sleep on the mids. And when I saw these, I had to have them because when the low top versions of these released earlier this year, I hesitated. And when I hesitated on these, they were gone. They were gone. So I had no choice but to go ahead and cop when I saw these. As you can see, I've definitely worn them. You know, that's the bottom. These are a little dirty on the bottom. I wore them today. And look at the lacing. These came all the way laced up, choked. They came choked up. So, you know, with my Jordan 1s, I like to skip a lace here. So if you can see that, there's a lace there, lace on the front. But then I skip one right there. I skip the next one, and then I go to the third hole there and lace from there. So definitely had these on feet today. Took them off so I could show you all here. Definitely a dope kick, man. Definitely dope. I'm a fan of Jordan 1 mids, man. If it's a Jordan 1 and it's clean, then I don't care what colorway it is or what size it is. I have lows now. I have a pair of lows. I have these mids now. I have these mids now. And I also have these mids as well. So I'm not biased. I'm not one of those people that says if it's not an OG high top, then I'm not going to wear it. If it's dope, it's dope. It don't matter what cut it is. You know, just throw that joint on and be fly, man. But let's go ahead and take these boys back on feet. All right, so here we are back on feet. I got the left one already on. And I'm going to throw the right boy. Throw the right boy back on as well. lace it up a little bit. Boom, boom. And we're in here. All right. Very dope. Had to throw these right on feet immediately. Immediately, these Yellow Toe boys, these Wu-Tang Killer Bees, they on the swarm. You know what I mean? Came home from work today, opened that box, threw them on feet, baby. Yes, sir. Let's get some of that coming at ya. Coming at ya. Yes, sir. Now let's go ahead and get a little bit of that booty view. Let's get a little bit of that booty view for you all. Yes, sir. But anyway, that's going to do it for this particular video. I know I did things a little bit differently in this one, but let me go ahead and tell you the official name. These are the Air Jordan 1 Mid SE. The colorway is black, tour yellow, and white, as you can see all around. They come in a regular black and gold Jordan box. Nothing special, not like the normal Jordan ones. So nothing really too particularly special here in that case. Size 14 in these, as I mentioned before, and the retail on these boys is $120. All right. So boom. But that's gonna do it for this one, man. Thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. I truly, truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.